Hello, good afternoon. My name is Karen Hernandez, and we are going to present our activity number 12. First of all, I gotta explain a little bit of what we did. My team and I made a survey that is about our personal health habits. In question number 1, we asked how many times do you usually eat a day? And as you can see in the chart below the question, the most common answer was that people usually eat more than 3 times a day. In question number 2, the question says, how many hours do you usually sleep? And the most common answer was between 5 and 7 hours.
On the question number 3 and 4, we asked to the people how often do you consume junk food or soda, for example. On the answer of a few days on the week, we have a result of a 42% of people that consume this type of products often during the week. On the other hand, we have a 32% of the people that consumes this type of products daily. And finally, we have a 25% of the people that never consumes this product or consumes them a few times in a year, 1, 2, or 3 times in a year. That's the results of our graphs that we made for the question number 3 and 4.
Now we have the question number 5 that was, do you practice any sport? In the graph we can see that most of the participants in this survey don't practice any sport. Almost 45% of the votes were for non-sport. 10% play basketball and another 20% play soccer and another 20% play other sports. In this question, there are few people with an active sports appointment, which if we don't practice or any sport or go for a walk or run or go out for a run, we can have problems with our health. And now the question number 6 and was how much time do you spend in TV, smartphone or PC? In this question we can see that the 35% of the people spend between 4 and 7 hours. The next one is with 22% between 7 to 10 hours, and another 22 vote for more than 10 hours. That it's a lot. And the other was for 16% between 2 and 4 hours, and the last one with only 7% between 1 and 2 hours. In this question, we can see that the participants spend a lot of time with these gadgets, which in the future can be problems to his eyes or problems with headache, because these gadgets cause problems to our health, like don't practice any sport. Thank you.
So, moving on with question number 7, it says that if you consider as a healthy person, most of the people said no, with 54% of the persons who answered this survey, and the other 46% said yes. So, the question number 8 says that if you practice any sport, 46.4% says that they don't practice none of the sports that were mentioned. 21.4% says that they play soccer. 10.7% said that they play basketball. Just 2% said that they practice baseball. And 21.4% says that they practice another sport.
In the question 9, how often do you visit of the doctor for a general checkup? The people responded. 21 people never visit the doctor, 35% visit him once a year, and 27 people twice. And to finish, 14 go more than twice a year. And to conclude, taking all in this account, we can know that our classmates and people who answered to the survey have a normal health habits, but that they can improve with daily habits and actions and thus have a better lifestyle. It's also important to know that most of the people who answered the survey are young, and it's easy to change their habits in a few years to be healthy and happy with themselves.